tayo. Siyempre. Ay, tangina ka. Hello everyone. So our agenda for tonight is to
remove all this.
I don't wanna go.
Last day here in Casa, guys.
Let's go.
Grabe, bilis.
Like imagine,
First day pa lang kahapon.
imagine yung kung napanood niyo yung vlog ni Carl na basta yung move-in vlog niya. Parang last upload lang yun, then wala.
Oh.
Then here we are leaving. But ayun no, makikita nyo dun no. Ayun no, makikita nyo dun no. Dun, no?
Pag-zoom in na lang, guys.
Ayun no,
Ayun,
ayun
mga
no, ayun no,
engineers.
ayun no.
Oh.
Hey!
Yeah. Okay, let's start.
Cycle na hindi lumabas.
Mga cycle na next year lalabas. Yan. Pag-aralan niyo yan, guys.
Legit. To all incoming aeronautical engineer board exam takers for the next year.
We have a feeling that's
Guys,
saan nyo ang gas cycles, guys.
Thermoday, gas cycles. Kasi sa amin puro ano eh. Hop, bawar!
Ano ba? Okay guys, I'm all alone. Umuwi na lahat ng mga ka-roommates ko and grabe, sobrang bilis ng panahon. I still can remember nung nag-move in kami dito and now we're moving out. Grabe. So, I'm just waiting sa sundo ko and alis na rin tayo today. Grabe. Sobrang mamimiss ko to guys. Sobrang mamimiss ko tong place na to, tong view na to. This one. Ay, grabe. Yung desk na to, part siya ng journey ko sa pagiging engineer. So, nakakasad pala mag-move out. Naka-ready na yung gamit ko. And wait, let me show you my cabinet. Ayan na siya. What? Ayan, iniwan ko na lang yun. Mga paper bag na lang. Grabe, nakakapanibago. Walang laman, guys. And of course, 1L for the win. Let's go!